Welcome back. We've all seen presentations with boring bullet points that make our eyes glaze over. When you need to show a process, a cycle, or a relationship between ideas, there's a much better way. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use one of my favorite tools, SmartArt, to transform your boring text into clear, compelling, and professional diagrams in just a few clicks. What is SmartArt? SmartArt is a gallery of pre-made, intelligent diagrams. I say intelligent because they're more than just a group of shapes. They automatically manage the spacing, alignment, and formatting for you as you add or remove information. This lets you focus on your message, not on drawing and aligning boxes. How to insert and populate SmartArt. There are two main ways to insert SmartArt. 1. From a placeholder. The easiest way is on a slide with a title and content layout. In the content placeholder, you'll see several small icons. Click the one that looks like a diagram. That's the SmartArt icon. 2. From the ribbon. You can also go to the Insert tab and click the large SmartArt button. Both methods open the Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog box. On the left, you'll see categories. Here are a few common business uses. List, a more visually engaging way to show a list of items. Process, perfect for showing steps in a timeline, like a project plan. Cycle, use this for a repeating process, like a quality control cycle. Hierarchy, the go-to choice for creating an organization chart. Once you've chosen a layout, the best way to add your text is by using the text pane that appears on the left. You can type your points here just like a bulleted list and use Tab and Shift+ tab to indent and outdent items. The graphic on the right will update automatically. Formatting your SmartArt. Once your SmartArt is created, you'll see two new tabs appear on the ribbon, SmartArt Design and Format. The SmartArt Design tab is where the real magic happens. Here you can change colors, instantly apply a palette that matches your presentation's theme, change SmartArt styles, give your diagram a professional finish with 3D effects, beveled edges, and more, all with a single click.
Let's turn a boring list into a dynamic diagram. 1. Add a new, blank title and content. Slide to your presentation. Title it Our 3-Step Workflow. 2. Click the SmartArt icon in the content placeholder. 3. Choose the process category. Select a simple process diagram, like Basic Process, and click OK. 4. The text pane will appear. In it, type 3 steps. Phase 1, Research, Phase 2, Development, and Phase 3, Launch. 5. Now, go to the SmartArt Design tab. Click Change Colors and pick a colorful palette. 6. Next, explore the SmartArt styles and apply one that gives your diagram a subtle 3D look. Look at that. In just a minute, you've created a clear, professional process diagram.
Fantastic work! You now know how to use SmartArt to convert simple text into compelling visual diagrams. It's a key skill for making complex information easy for your audience to understand. Diagrams are powerful, but so are photographs and simple shapes. In our final lesson for this module, we'll learn how to work with pictures and shapes to add even more visual interest to our slides. See you there!